On Friday, South Africa initiated legal proceedings at the International Court of Justice, accusing Israel of committing genocidal acts in Gaza. In response, Israel rejected the case, expressing strong disapproval. According to the statement, South Africa's ICJ application related to alleged violations by Israel of its obligations under the Genocide Convention and said that Israel is engaging in and risks further engaging in genocidal acts against the Palestinian people in Gaza. In the Hague application, South Africa also says that Israel has been acting with the requisite specific intent to destroy Palestinians in Gaza as part of the broader Palestinian national, racial and ethnic group. South Africa filed its application as Israel's military announced on Friday an expansion of operations in southern Gaza, instructing civilians to seek refuge. Additionally, Israel claimed to have destroyed a network of tunnels and one of the hideout apartments belonging to Hamas leader Yahya Sinwar. Israel has firmly rejected South Africa's claims and the application to the World Court. The Israeli Ministry of Foreign Affairs stated that South Africa's assertions amount to calling for the destruction of the State of Israel and emphasized that the claim lacks both factual and legal basis. Israel asserts its commitment to international law, noting that its military actions are directed against the Hamas terrorist organization and other groups cooperating with Hamas. The statement also highlights Israel's efforts to minimize harm to non-involved parties and facilitate the entry of humanitarian aid into the Gaza Strip. Israel's aerial bombardment and ground invasion of Gaza, launched in response to Hamas' deadly terror attacks and kidnapping rampage on October 7, have resulted in extensive damage in the densely populated coastal strip. The widespread devastation has sparked concern and criticism from aid groups and the international community. President Joe Biden stated early this month that Israel's actions involve indiscriminate bombing in Gaza. According to a US intelligence assessment, nearly half of the air-to-ground munitions used by Israel in its conflict with Hamas are unguided, commonly referred to as dumb bombs. Unguided munitions are generally less precise and may pose a higher risk to civilian populations. South Africa and Israel are both parties to the Genocide Convention, according to the ICJ, which is also known as the World Court and is the principal judicial organ of the United Nations.
Subscribe to Oneindia channel and never miss an update.